Hey guys, so I went to Dollar Tree yesterday, so I thought I would share my little haul with you guys. I found some really good stuff that I see other people hauling and just some things that I just haven't seen in any of my stores yet. So I'm just going to dive in and pick random items. I'm not going to go in any type of order or anything. I did find this all-purpose cleaner with peppermint and sage that everybody seems to be talking about lately. I am really excited to try this. I know there are different ones as well, but this is the only one that I saw at the store that I went to. So I picked it up and hopefully I like it. And then if I do, I will be picking more of these up because you cannot beat the price from Dollar Tree. And then I did finally decide to pick up some of the Clean Beauty shampoo and conditioner. So I got the volumizing shampoo and conditioner. I also picked up another one of these bad boys. I love these things so much. They're so much cheaper than the Downy Unstoppables. They work just as good. It's literally the same thing, just bottled in a different container. These are purple, but I mean, they smell so good. I just love using these in my laundry so that my clothes, my bedding, my towels, it can all smell so fresh and clean. I also found this hand soap. You get 16 fluid ounces, which is a really nice size, and it's in the scent Warm Vanilla. And it smells really good. I'm excited for this. And I think the packaging is really nice too. I like the labeling. And then they didn't have the normal pack of razors that I usually pick up when I'm there. So I did pick up the men's pack of 5-blade razors. You get 3 in these packs. But then I also picked up this 2-pack of 6-blade razors to try. And then to kind of go with that, I saw this Bic shave cream. It's ultra soothing with vitamin E and aloe, and it's free from alcohol, dyes, and sulfates. So I'm excited to give this a try. I did pick up a new dish scrubber. I did just recently get a new one, but I like to have backups because once the other one gets all gross and dingy, I throw it away. So I always need to have a backup on hand. Some snacks that I grabbed. I grabbed these for my best friend because I'm going to be sending her a package hopefully very soon. So I got her a pack of these Rips, which I am addicted to right now. And then these were just funny to me and I just thought she'd get a kick out of them. So I got her these Groovy Bananas. I've never tried them. I don't think I would personally try them, but if any of you have and you like them, or even if you didn't like them, let me know what you thought about these. And I saw these Pretzel Crisps with the everything bagel seasoning on them. And I just thought those sounded really good. You could use them with dip or just eat them right out of the bag. And I may be putting this in my hospital bag to take as a snack at the hospital. Hopefully I don't dig into them before that. I also saw these, which I think are supposed to be like a dupe for like the Honey Pot brand. But they're by Be Pure, and they're just regular pads with organic cotton. It has, it's aloe infused and lavender infused, and you get 10 in here. which I think is pretty decent for $1.25. You get 10 pads, and again, I like having these on hand for now, occasionally, if I feel like I need to wear one, but I'll even have these for after having the baby. I also finally found this that everybody is talking about. It's the MultiPurpose cleaning paste, which I think is supposed to be a dupe for like the pink stuff. No more tough stains. It says you could use it on grills, stovetops, ovens, pots and pans, glass and silverware, chrome and tile, shower, sinks, toilets, granite countertops, washer and dryer, mold and mildew, soap scum, and mineral deposits. So it says all that right there on the side. But I'm excited to give it a try. I've never tried the actual pink stuff, so maybe I'll have to pick up some of that and then do a comparison between the two of those, like I want to do with the Scrub Daddy sponges. I also randomly saw this stuff. So this is by Be Pure, and so I just decided to pick up a belly mask. Feel like maybe it would feel really good right now on my bump, so I will give this a try. It says it's to hydrate and soothe skin, helps reduce the appearance of stretch marks, and it's free of like all of that bad stuff. So I'm excited to give that a little try. And then right next to that, I happened to see these, also by Be Pure. This is a belly balm with natural ingredients. It has coconut oil, shea butter, hydrogenated jojoba oil. And I like that it's in a stick form. I thought that was pretty cool. And then I just picked this up as well just to give it a try. You never know what you're going to like and not like, but this is a nipple balm with coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa seed butter, and theobroma cacao, I think. But I've never seen these products at Dollar Tree before, so I just thought I had to grab them since I saw them. I did also find this that everybody seems to be hauling right now. It's by Be Pure. It is an Ultrasonic Face Mister. They had the pink and they had the blue. Of course, I grabbed pink. And I was wondering if you needed batteries for this, and you don't. You just charge it with a USB, which I think is pretty cool. Sometimes I'm sick of like everything needing to take batteries. I also saw this little pack of cooling wipes. I just thought it would be nice to have in the summertime. It says you can use anywhere on the body that needs quick cooling and cleansing, and you get 15 wipes in here. I grabbed this shower comb just because it was so pretty. My mom always had combs like this, but this one I couldn't resist the pink floral. So I'll be using this when I am in the shower. I grabbed a pack of my favorite little ice cube gum just because my pack is running really low in my purse and I always have to have gum. Random, but I did also pick up this pink paint because I really, really loved this color. And I've been wanting to start doing crafts again. It's been quite a while. It's just been a little rough with having no energy and trying to get so much else done. But even if I have to wait till after the baby comes, I'll have some paint on hand. I just really want to start painting and doing all the crafts. This isn't really exciting, but I picked up a pack of skewers because I know I have some somewhere, but I can't find them, and I needed them for something a couple of weeks ago. So I figured I would grab these and I'll keep them in the kitchen where I can actually find them when I need them, and I will know that I already have these on hand. Oh, and then we grabbed a pack of these wiffle balls. so that we can play baseball in the backyard with Alden. All of our plastic balls like this are either smashed or cracked, or they've gotten lost, like they went into neighbors' yards far, far away. So I grabbed a pack of these for Alden. And then they had several different ones of these, but I decided to pick up this specific one. It is by Be Pure, and it's a vitamin C illuminating body lotion, and you get 8 fluid ounces. I think the other ones they had the vitamin C, a collagen one, and then a hyaluronic acid, which I might also grab the hyaluronic acid next time, but I really wanted to try the vitamin C one out. And then I found these Etos, I'm not really sure how to say the brand, but it's the Himalayan flower body scrub. I think the packaging is so pretty. And this is a huge body scrub. You get 8 fluid ounces. And this is like really, really gritty, which is what I love in a scrub. So I'm really hoping I like this. I cannot wait to give it a try. And then also by the same brand, I got the Himalayan flower hand lotion. And this one is 4 fluid ounces. And this I thought was so cool for $1.25 because the Dollar Tree I went to wasn't a Dollar Tree Plus, so I didn't have to worry about like, oh, was this a $5 item? But no, it was $1.25. It's by Vivo. It's a fresh eucalyptus face mask that boosts and detoxes. And so you get the mask itself, which is 5.3 ounces, and you get a little applicator. And then I thought these nail wraps were really, really cute, so I just thought I would pick these up. It's not going to show you very well, but I loved the colors. You get like a light pink, like a black with gold sparkles, plain black, and then the light pink leopard print with sparkles on it as well. And then I've seen these in bigger stores for way more money, and I'm not an oatmeal person, but I really want to find an oatmeal that I like. And this caught my eye since I saw it, and for $1.25, I'm not worried about if I don't like it, but it sounded really good. So I picked up the Fruity Pebbles instant oatmeal. Sounds delicious, so hopefully I like it. Okay, and then the last thing I got was just another one of these little organizing baskets. So not a huge haul, but I just thought I would share that with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put all of this away, find something to eat or snack on. I'm not sure if we're going to go get some lunch or something somewhere, but this little baby is hungry, as am I. So I'm going to put everything away, and I will talk to you guys again really soon.